Yes, anyway we'll start our class. They will join, I think. So we need to start our activities. Saved views we need to create from yesterday's activities, whatever we have done. For that one we need to create the saved views. So you can see create saved views
Actually,
for
Firoz
the.
is also joining in sometime.
Yes.
Firoz is also joining in sometime.
Okay, okay. We can see here what is our first step here. Activity create saved view for the UX pages. So here we need to create few saved views. So for to complete this activity, on the product replenishment UX pages, end user want to functionality that will allow them to view the data from the selected time periods. These model building activities will creating the planning period filter. So saved view to publish, we need to create saved views here. So what are the saved views we need to create? We can see here. Create planning period filters. So open system01 time setting by month module and add line items. So we need to create planning period filter here. Boolean formatted line item we should create here. So end user select the months not include in the planning, to include in the planning period for the product replenishment UX pages. So you can see this is a planning period filter. And open system01 time setting by the week module and add two line items. We need to add basically here, create, we should add line items in the system modules. Open our supply chain model.
Asibhai, one question actually. Always for the UX pages, we have to use saved views only, right?
Yeah, we have two options. We'll use saved views and one more thing, and customization
Module person.
customs by using the custom version. Custom version means
Custom
directly
option, yeah, we can
custom
take
option we
views,
had.
modules, everything. We can.
In the directly module you can take and you can do it. There is there as well.
Custom view means already we have a saved views there, and model views we
No, no.
have with the module.
Is a
Module,
view.
we have module views and custom views. In module views we have the saved views. In custom view
Yeah.
you need to do everything there itself.
Okay. So for the UX pages, we can take both, right?
Both the
Saved views
options we
and
have.
yeah. Okay.
You can see we need to create one line item in system 0 module, boolean formatted line item planning period filter. So boolean formatted line item we should create. So planning period, if they select manually like this, so that it will get select manually. We don't have any formula for this one. And then after completing this one, we should open system01 module and we need to add two more line items here. Planning period filter and planning period filter weekly only, weeks only. So open system01 module, system01 time setting by weeks. So here we need to add two more line items. we need to add these two line items here. You can see what is the format we should keep boolean only. So this line item will use it to filter the data for inventory 01 inventory ordering module grid view on the user experience pages to show the data for the weeks from the month selected system 0 time setting by the month module planning period filter line item. So the data will include both the weeks and monthly summary. So what should we do? Whatever I have select here manually. So I have selected this one here. So it should be get here. It should get here in these line items. How we will get this one? So simply we should write, first of all, change the format boolean for these two line items. So if I want to get the details to here, what should I do? Simply I should refer these details here. This line item I should refer here, correct? If I refer here, simply what happened? You can see we'll get here true, but we are not getting true here. What is the reason? Yes, summary method we didn't turn on. So planning period filter, and you can see even we turn on this planning period filter. You can see we turn on this one, and system 01 monthly planning period filter. So summary method we have by planning period filter. So whenever if we select here, we should get true here. In January month we should get true here. You can see here why we are not getting. Can you expect anyone? Yes, why we are
Weekly,
not
that is
getting?
in monthly.
Yes, we
We
have there
weekly
in
filter. Weekly filter, that is
weekly. That is the time scale. We'll check by the
time scale.
we'll check by writing the month value. What happened? You can see. So I want month value of, simply you can see, yes. So then what happening, month value of system 0 time setting, if I write what happened, it will get, you can see. So whatever the month I have select there, so that details I can see here. Is it correct? If I select this one, I can,
Yes, yes.
January months will get select. If I get February, you can see
All the
here.
weeks of the month.
So in this way, we'll get the detail. So here, planning period filter weeks only. Weeks only means what is the difference between the this and that? We don't want here months. Only I want weeks. So what is the solution?
Weekly, weekly.
What should I do? I don't want months means first of all I should write my formula. Planning period filter I should give the
Yeah, month value.
Weekly value.
formula.
Weekly value.
No, weekly
No,
already
it will
we
give
are in same
automatically.
module.
It's already there.
Same
Just we
module.
are picking from that.
Here to here, but I am getting months. But I want only weeks, weekly only. Weeks only I want. I don't want month. Then what should I do? This month I want get delete. What should I do?
Summary method you can stop.
Yes, remove summary method simply. It will get delete. You can see only month details only you can see here. That's it. You can't see any month values. Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
So in this way we get
Yes.
the details here, planning period filter, whatever the, yes. So you can see here. So this line item will be used to filter data inventory 01 ordering module. So grid view on the user selection month. So user experience pages to show the data. Whatever the months we select in system 0 module, that month weeks only we can see in the system 01. So then system 0 time setting by the month module planning period filter line item. The data will include both the weeks and monthly summary. So both the details will include initially. But here you can see this line item will be used to filter the data in the combination chart. So to show only the weeks from the month selected in the system 00 time setting by month module planning period filter line item, because this filter will be used to chart do not include the summary. Whenever if you use any chart, so if you include the summary months what happened, chart will normally show the each and every week detail. If you get summary month value for that period what happened, chart will raise at a time and it will decrease, and for next month week 5 February again it will continues. Does it make sense? If you include any, if you are using any line item for the chart combination chart, line chart or whatever the chart, if you include the summary levels month level, how it looks, does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. So each and every week details if you have from January weeks February weeks, it will looks impressive, whether increasing or decreasing your sales or demand whatever it. But if you include the month summary as well, after completing 4 weeks how it looks like. For January 4, after completing January 4 weeks, it will increase at a time and again it will decrease while starting the February month. Again after completing the February month, what happened, if we include the summary, total we should get to show the total what happened, again it should increase. It doesn't make sense. So if you use a chart, so we should 100% remove the boolean formatted line item here. So you can see, create the formulas for the new line item system 01 using month value function, so that when the end user select the months, that the weeks that associated with that month are also selected. So do not include the half year or full year summaries. We don't want to any summaries unless all months that are included in those periods are selected. So we don't want summary level details. Do not show half year 2020. So everything we don't want summary level. So here you can see, create the planning period saved view here. So first of all we should create here in system 0 time setting month module, create a saved view. In system 0 time setting month module, we should create the one saved view. That saved view name is the planning period filter ux. Open our system 0 module, system 0 or system 01, system 00. Show only planning period line item, filter to show months only. So what should they do? Show months only. You can see, we first of all we need to create the saved view here. Click on save as, remove the everything and save the view. So after saving the view, what should we do? Open our saved view. Here what are the things we need to show? Show only planning period filter line item. First thing is planning period filter only I want, this line item only I want. I should select this one and show selection. Then I need to filter months only. Why I am asking to show months only? Filter to show months only. What are the other than months we have here?
Half year.
Half year details, we don't want half year details. So that is the reason I should apply filter here. In time I don't want half year, so I should select here. Where do we have half year details means in system 0 by setting
Zero.
here
Months only.
half year. You can see here half, not half year, months only we want. So where we have in months module we have months only filter. If I select this one, system 0 time setting months only filter. So that what happened, simply I will get only months instead of half years and full years. I don't get anything, simply I will get the months only. So I need to save this view to remain my changes whatever I have done. Give me a minute. Hi everyone, am I audible to you?
Yes, Asim.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes. Sorry for delay. So I got one call. So anyway, we can see here what we have created one saved view, and then we need to go for another saved view. I hope yes. So we have created this one. Create saved view for the combination chart. We need to create another saved view here in inventory ordering module. We need to create another saved view. Inventory ordering module, we need to create this saved view. We should include beginning inventory, ending inventory, forecast demand, and safety target items. So these line items we need to include. So we should open our module inventory 01 module and create saved view. Remove the name chart UX and include the line items whatever they are instructing. So what are the line items we want here? Beginning inventory, ending inventory, forecast demand, and safety stock target line items. We should include these line
Asif, I have a
items.
question here. Sorry to interrupt you. Yesterday, while closing the session, we created driver access and we mapped it, right axis. So we need to remove those items before
No, no,
starting
nothing will
this
happen. There,
inventory mapping.
access we should not remove. These booleans we should remove. These booleans we should
Okay.
remove after completing each and every work. Practice we should remove these booleans. Send message as a rejoin everyone in our groups.
Send all.
Okay. So we should not remove any DCA from modules.
Okay.
If you check somewhere that check boxes we should remove, so the data whatever the reflecting it will not get changed. Otherwise when we comparing, what happen if you give some numbers, total screen will be get changed. So that is the reason we should remove. If you do any overriding or anything, we should change for that scenario. So here what are the things we need to check here? What are the different line items we want to show here? Beginning inventory, forecast demand, ending inventory, and
Ending inventory.
safety stock target.
Safety stock.
Is it correct? Beginning inventory, ending inventory, forecast demand, and safety stock target. So, but they want in this sequence only. Then beginning inventory you should select, and ending inventory, forecast demand, and safety stock target. You can see if you select whatever the line item first, you can get here first. So in that way, whatever the sequence they are giving, we should take that sequence only. Where I have done this one, I have done in the default view. So that is the reason what should we do? We should do show all, and whatever thing if I want to do, where should I do? I should do in UX pages on that, like saved view only I should do. Beginning inventory, then ending inventory, forecast demand, safety stock target. Then I should click on show selection. Otherwise what happened, our default view is get changed there. You can see here only 11 members are there. Where are our other members? Just now we had 15 members. So we have like completed this one, and we need to even save this view as well, and they are expecting even some pivot option as well. So which view they are expecting? In pages we should have SKU column, in column we should have time, in rows we should have line items. So everything is perfect already. So filter the data using the planning period filter weeks only. So we need to do the filter here, filter the data using planning period filter weeks only line item in the system 01 time setting by week module. So what should we do? We need to apply the filter here for this saved view. So what is our filter? Yes, so we need to
Time only system 0.
system 01. Where is our system 01? Here you can see planning period weeks only filter. So by doing this one, what happening you can see. So by doing this one, whatever the months we have selected, that months only we are getting the data here. If I want February month, what should I do? February month's details also I want. You can, I will show how it will get. Then you can see here what happened. Why I am not getting here immediately? Even though I selected 2 months, February, why I am not getting?
Refresh.
We need to do refresh. So immediately we don't get. So then only that detail will get update. You can see here. So whatever the months we select here, these details will goes to here. So then we are applying this filter to this module. Means only whatever the months we select here, this will goes to here. I have selected here February. You can see only up to February months only it will get select. Planning period weeks only. You can see this is a source module. We are not getting selecting anything here. So in this way what we can understand, who is this? मैं कॉल करता हूँ थोड़ी देर से. So you can see here. So why I always used to say like always say like we should check the source. We have here we are applying the filter. In filter, how many weeks are get checked here? Yes,
February, sir.
February. So that is the reason we are getting the February. So whatever the filter we apply, whatever the formula we write, so basically it follows that source and instructions whatever we provide. So that is the reason whenever if you get any wrong value, if you are thinking why I am not getting values correct here, if you think like this here itself, do we get any answer here? We don't get generally. Whenever if we struck, even though we should check this formula and along with this formula if we are writing formula this one correct. So from where we are getting the data for this module. So you can see we are writing for this formula or this filter whatever it from system 01 time setting, and different line items are there. And if I am applying the filter, I should go for the filter. And filter what happening, why I am not getting in filter, how many weeks are get selected. So in this way we should think. Is it clear? If you are writing formula means in that formula whatever the source modules we have, so that modules we should check how many we what is the data it consists. So if it consists the data, then only it pulls the data from there to here. So that is the thing here. So we have completed this one. So filter also we have done we need to save the thing to remain that changes. So after completing the saved view and everything, we should go for the next activity. So we have the create production replenishment UX pages. So we need to create here one UX page. You can see this UX page we should create. So you can see, so for this one, which cards we should take? First of all, we need to, you can see here one grid, two grid, and three we
Three
have.
cards.
So
And
grid
last
card
one
we
is
should,
line.
chart card we should take. Card we have chart. So for these two tables we should take the grid.
Green card.
For this instructions, which card I should take? Select the month. Select the month you wish to view the view, then click refresh to apply the planning period filter. This for this instructions, which card should I
Text
take?
card. Text card.
Text card. So in this way we should think. So what they are giving some hints here. So by watching this one we should follow the instructions. So basically first we should take this one January February. So for this one what should we do? And then you can take this one beginning inventory saved you, whatever we have created. So each and everything you can follow here. First of all we need to create the page name. What is our page name? Create a UX page, product replenishment UX page. We need to create first of all this one. Then you can think about the other thing. So anyway, you can see here, this is our UX page. Here we need to create the so here we need to create new page. So click on board. So should I take board or worksheet? How I get to know? Why should I take board here? What is the reason I am taking the board instead of taking the worksheet?
Because we have a multiple cards in the in a learning center.
Yes, in learning center you can see the multiple cards. In worksheet we can't create multiple cards. On board only we can create the multiple cards. Is it correct? Yes.
Yes.
So you can see here each and everything we should select and we should create a page. So on this page we should take the first of all grid card.
Green card.
First is the grid card take, and what is our first instruction?
We lost your voice.
No, I am not speaking. Give me a minute. I am not speaking. So you can see here. So include the following sub category supply planning, but which is not available in my pages. So you can see in apps we can find this category. So under one category data module will create the, under the data will create the data module. Same in UX pages also will do that one. We'll create one category, revenue, supply, and everything. Under that one, we'll create the same pages, category dividers, we can say. So you can see, include the following instructions. Product SKU and time context selectors we should include, and system 00 time setting by month module planning period filter UX saved view, or create custom view within UX to show the same information. Already we have created saved view for the system 0 time setting module. That one we should take here. Go here and go to modules and take system 0 time setting which we have created the earlier. Just now we have created planning period filter UX. We have created for the specially for this purpose. So whatever the month we select, that data only we can watch by updating this one. So you can see, and what is the title we should give, is not getting selecting here. So if I select, stop sharing option now is there beside it. So that
You
is the
can
reason.
you can just smaller make the smaller size of this that window.
Yes, I am getting here, and you can see what is the next option. Um, Product SKU and time context selectors should be, we should include, and instructional text for the end user to select the months. So we should add that one as well. So we'll do that one as well. Create the custom view for the ending inventory. So first of all we need to complete this one. We don't have any title for this one. You can see allow grid here, and we should add include. We don't have much here. In column we have time. So time hierarchy filter we should not keep here. So let us check what happened. So publish this page. So what generally basically why we keep this one means, so whenever if you select here, so these will be only if already we have seen earlier. So if I select January, that below the table whatever we have ending inventory one, so it will show the only 1 month data. So for that purpose, for selection purpose, we have kept this module here. And next module is we need to keep inventory order module. You can see here, inventory order module we need to keep here. Instructional text we can keep, not a problem. So create custom view for the inventory ordering module grid published to the UX pages. So what should we do? Basically we need to add one inventory ordering module custom view here. Add one more card here, grid card. We need to add grid card here, one more grid card. And after adding grid card, we should select the data source. You can see custom view we should take this time. Why we want to take custom time? For challenge ourselves. So we should know this method as well. That is the reason they are giving initially module views, and then they are asking to do the custom views. So what are the things they want here in custom view? So in custom view, what are the things they want? So create custom view for the inventory ordering module.
System 01
Grid published to the UX page, and add filter based system 01 time setting by the week module planning period filter line item. So add conditional formatting to display confirm purchase order receipt as a green anytime the value is greater than 0. First we need to add filter here, first step. So if I want to add filter, you can see whenever I select this one mod custom views, you will get this all this option, edit option. If I select here module views, I don't get any edit option. You can see I will not get a edit option here, pivot, conditional format, nothing I will get. Why means in module views what happened, we should select our saved views. Already we have created saved view and everything, that we should select and we should use here. But if I go to custom view, what happened, it will provide the options here. So what are the things we want, we can do here. So first step, what should we do, we apply the filter for in first step. What is our filter condition? Add filter
System 01 time.
system 01 time planning period filter. So system 01 time you should take, and what is the line item we should take? Planning period filter weeks only. Weeks only, or which one we should take?
SS weeks only.
You can see setting by week money, planning period filter line item. Planning period filter line for line chart generally we'll do that one. So here planning period filter line item only will take. So then select true, select filter condition as well. We should select here true. Then after that you should apply here apply. Then what happened, if I apply this one, so only I can see data 1 month here. By applying it will happen. I will apply here. You can see now you need to do refresh as well. So once after completing this one we can see. So whatever the months will select there, that detail only we can see here. So this is the first step. So after doing this one, yes, first step we have done, we have applied the filter, and then what is the next step? We have applied the filter here, and next add conditional formatting to display confirm purchase order receipt as a green anytime the value is greater than 0. So what should we do here? So add conditional formatting as well. So after completing this one, we have the conditional formatting option as well here. So if I select conditional formatting, so what is the line item we want here? Confirm purchase order receipt, correct?
Yes.
Confirm purchase order based on the same value. Confirm purchase order receipt. So we should have same line item. We should not take any line item. Style background should be keep normal. And what is the minimum? Minimum means if you have 0, which color do you want? Normal color, white only. So midpoint is the optional one. And if I want to, if I get one value, so what should I, which color I want? Green color. Is it correct?
Yes, green color.
Green color we want. So then after applying this condition, apply the here. We should apply that one as well. But check the conditions. Are we taking correct proper line items or not? Add conditional formatting to display confirmed purchase order receipt as a green anytime the value is greater than 0. So correct, we have completed this one. Add conditional formatting to display ending inventory is the red when the value is less than the safety stock target. So we should add one more conditional formatting here. So we should apply this one. After applying this one, so close this and add one more conditional formatting line item. Line item should be ending inventory. This is also ending inventory, value same. Ending inventory, if you get below 0, which color we want? Minimum 0. And up to 0 if we have, nothing will happen. So 0, and maximum -1. If you get value below 0, what should the details we should get? Maximum 1.
Red.
Red color we should get. So if you get below the 0, simply we should get the, so here you can see we should select the, for 0 we should get the white color, and up to 0, and below 0 if you get red color we should get. So apply the conditional formatting. Must less than mid and must be less than mid and maximum value. So what should we do? We should check the values. Some more we should keep here. If I keep 0, I should get the here mid value. If I want 0.5, I will write. Anyway, we don't get any 0.5 value. For to satisfy this one, we should get maximum here. What is our maximum value? Minimum value is the, we should get maximum means it should be positive. So if you get minimum means less than 1. So that is the reason we should, if you get the minimum -1, what should we do? Red
Red.
color. So here we should get the maximum means 0. If you get 0, simply we should get the white color. So our stack should be must be more than the minimum and mid value. So
You gave 0.5 now, so 1 should be there.
no, we should not give. Then mid value we should not give. Then yes, you can see. If you have 0, you should get white color, and if you get value -1, so if you get minimum -1, whatever if you get, what happened? Simply you will get the red color.
Red color.
Yes. So if you get below the 0 means it should get the red color. So we should apply this condition. So after applying this one, we can go for the next condition. Do not show safety stock exception count PO. Do not show safety stock exception count PO submitted and confirm PO deliveries. So we should not show these 3 line items. So we should not show safety stock exception count PO submitted and confirm PO delivery line items. We don't want these line items. We should hide these line items. How we will hide these line items means, you can see this I symbol. What are the line items we don't want? Yes. What are the line items we don't want to show here? Yes. What are the line items we don't want to show?
PO submitted.
Confirm success. PO delivery.
PO submitted, confirm PO delivery.
That 3
Confirm
actually
success.
I have structured here. So show or hide will get the line items I have structured here. So that is the reason. Select below. I need to decrease my screen size, I think. So that is the reason I am getting stuck in here. I need to decrease. Give me a minute for few seconds. You can see here. That is the reason I am facing the problem. So select all. You can see I have selected all. What are the line items we don't want? PO submitted, I don't want. Other line items, confirm PO delivery, I don't want here. safety stock exception count. Is it clear? These 3 line items I don't want. Is it correct? Other
Yes.
than
Yes.
other than this one, all line items I want. So apply this one simply. So if we get, you can see my screen size is got increased earlier. So you can see that is the reason how it faced the problem for me. So each and every time we should be take care about all the things. So after completing all this instruction, so what is the next thing? So combination chart is a different one. First we need to complete this chart and then we can go for that one. Everything you
Because
can
of your screen size, you cannot able to see the line items, right, Aswini?
yes, screen share only I cannot able to see the line items below, which was there below. So you can see now here edit grid cell and include our contact selector P3 SKU, uh, hierarchy selection, synchronization and selection is fine, sync with page also fine, and here this is also fine. So if I want to, if I turn on this hierarchy filter, what happened? On the base of selection, it will keep it like this only. Will publish this one. What happened? So this is, you can see basically whenever if I select here, so January I can see only 4 months. 4 weeks January details only I can see. You can see this one. So if I select the February and I need to do the refresh. Along with the January months, I can see the February months. After that, half year detail, full year detail, whatever the detail we can see. Is it clear how it is happening? Yes. On the base of this
Yes.
selection, we can see the months. If I remove this one, so this is the purpose we are trying to do. So only January details I can see here. Half year and this total you can see here. After later half year and full year details we'll get other than this one. So in this way we'll get the details on the base of selection. So how it is happening? So this system 01 selection is, it is going to system 01 and system 00 going to system 001 and system 00 we are applying filter for this one, this saved view, this saved view or this module. So by on the base of that one it is working. This is the way how filter consists the power. By controlling, by applying the filter and these formulas, you can see we can control the one module to another module. So in this way. And one more thing we have seen, if you have the ending inventory below the 0 you can see the red color, and if you have above the 0 normal. And where is our confirm pivot delivery or something? Whenever if we have above the 0 you will get the positive. We didn't select anything, so that is the reason confirm purchase order receipt we don't have anything here. If I go to module and if I select any submit purchase order request, for example in inventory ordering module, if I raise submit purchase order request, what happened? It will reach the products after 2 weeks anyway. So then you can see, do the refresh, you can see. So if I raise the request first week, anyway will get reach that product. Whenever if you get details in confirm PO delivery means we have received the products. So how these colors will also decide in for green signal, to allow the persons at signal will provide the green signal means they should, that is a good sign. And when wherever you say see the danger or some, it is not good sign. So for that one what should we do? Generally we'll give red color. Is it correct? Yes. What is the symbol for green and red? So we need to understand, according to that only we should,
Yes.
we should give. So easily everyone can understand green and red. And you can see if you are take black color, for which purpose they will use black color? Yes, for black sign is for which purpose? Sadness or something.
Yes, yes.
Yes, so anyway,
Sadness.
like that are the basic thing. Like we should on the base of like requirement, we should understand the things and we should follow that instructions. So each and everything is working properly. So in this way, we can even customize the thing as well by use selection by selecting the custom view. Also, we can apply the filters and saved use and everything whatever we have done for this one. Same way we should do. And what is our next step? Each and everything is completed and we need to combination chart, we need to create final chart, inventory ordering module chart for ux saved view whatever we have created. So that one we should use here for the combination chart. We need to add one more chart here, combination chart final chart we need to add. So for combination chart we need to take the chart card, then select data source, module views and inventory ordering module chart ux saved view I need to use here. Then we need to there is no need to do anything here, these charts. So simply whatever the instruction they are providing we should follow. Simple thing, we should use the combination chart here. So combination chart we should take select here, we should check, and other than that one we don't have any other instructions. So we should not do anything here and everything is perfect. So simply we need to check this card is synced with the page or not. So yes, line items you can check. So everything is fine. So simply, so we need to publish this one and we need to check once what are the things we have in the our sample page. So I think we need to show few things here. Here time we should show and financial year 2020 and products we should show. So how many things do we have here? Product we have, time we don't have. So for that one what should we do?
Can do the label.
We need to, no, not label, we need to show time. To show time what should I do?
Filter to
I need to turn on hierarchy filter. Hierarchy filter I need to turn on. For below card I will ask this for the hierarchy filter as well. Contact seller, if I turn on my hierarchy filter here, I can see here time as well. So in this way it will work. So we need to check what are the instructions they are providing. So according to that one, so we should provide the detail. You can see here. So if I select January, I can see the January only. So whatever the selection I am doing here, in this way it will work. So week 1. So in this way whatever the hierarchy filter turn on, so it will follows the that rule. So after completing this one, we need to add instructional card as well here. Instruction card also we need to add. What is our instruction card? Select the months you wish, you wish to view and then click refresh apply to planning period filter. Already we have these instructions here. This instruction they have given second instructional text card for the end user. Select the months. Yes, this instruction we should give. So what should I do? I should give these instructions in top left here. So simply I can take text card here like this. You should get window like this, then only it get properly. So then apply configure and enter the text. What is our text? You can see here. Select if you want increase the size, or like if you want, you
Color,
can
color,
color each and everything
font,
we can do. Mostly will keep different colors. So what I do, normal text, and I will select this one in
blue
green
color.
color. Green color will select green or blue. Blue color I will select, and if I want to bold, I can make it as a bold. And if I want this as a center, so you can see we should select this one. I don't want this one, I want this one. So center. So like this we can do center and everything. Then after completing this one, even we can decrease our size according to our requirement. This card also, why we don't want this much. Instruction should be look simple like this. Select the months they want to view and click the refresh button to update the UX page. That's it. I don't want this symbol as well. Yes. So we need, after providing the instructions and everything, and simply you need to publish the page, so that easily end user can watch. And whatever the month you want to watch, you can select and you can view the data. If I want only 1 month data, we need to select 1 month and I need to do the refresh. Otherwise I can see the 2 months data here. Now is it fine how it is working? Yes.
Yes.
So in this way it will work. So this is the way, like how things will work in UX pages. We need to apply the filters and apply the condition, different conditions. So on the base of that requirement, end user requirement, so they want view the data for months. So on the base of selection months, so that is the reason in system module we are creating some conditions, and that condition we are applying to this dashboard. So applying this filter to this dashboard, what happening, whatever the months we select, that data only we can see. We don't want entire 52 weeks or 2 years data. So on the base of requirement we can select and we can see. So this is the way how this will work. So by completing this task, we have completed up to this activity. So we have completed this one. And next we have, like creating this activity, we have creating country summary module. So this is another module we have. So we need to create this one, country summary module. uh, Country summary module, you can see these two activities we have. And after completing this one, remaining 2 3 activities we have. These are the simple activity, so we can do it now. So inventory ordering country module here. So this is the country summary module, inventory 0 to country summary module we can create in our modules. So under the inventory 1, we should create the inventory 2 module. And what are the dimensions we should take here? Yes. So we should take G2 country and P1 product family list, and time should be in weeks. G2 country, P1 product family. G2 country, P1 product family we should take, time should be in weeks. And next thing, safety stock flag count. So these are the dimensions and line items we should create. And format should be number. And summary method also we should turn on
Some.
to get the sum details. Then here, So where do we have safety stock flag count? Basically, where do we have this detail? They are giving some instructions here.
INV1.
INV1 we have detail. INV1 we have the details, and whenever if we have the same dimension, it is going directly. Time in week, fine. But here we have the time, child level we have the detail, and here still you can see the P1 product family. Child to parent is, does it make any
Lookup.
problem?
Lookup. We need to
Nothing, it
use.
will,
Not
child to
lookup.
parent, nothing is there,
Okay, okay, okay.
automatic
It will come. Yeah.
aggregations.
Aggregate.
But here we have one extra dimension, G2 country list. G2 country dimension we have extra in target. We don't have any dimension in the source. We have in the target. So what should we do for that purpose? So we should have some intermediate calculation. So whenever we want some aggregated data, so whenever you are pulling the data from child to parent with specific condition, I told one thing in sum and lookup. In some function, what I told, what is the second condition, not sum and lookup. Before that, whenever if we have same
Same
dimension,
dimensions.
we can pull the data directly. And whenever we want to pull child to parent directly, you can pull the data. Whenever if you want pull the data child to parent with specific condition, I told third one, while telling the why how we should pull the data from source to target. I am pulling the data child to parent is the fine, but with specific condition, G2 country. G2 country wise I want. So for that one, which function should we use? Child to parent directly if you want pull, nothing I required. But child to parent, I should pull data with specific condition. Which function should we use here?
Sum.
Sum we should use. So whatever the sum, to use the sum, we have few conditions. So what are that conditions? Where do we have the relationship between the P3 SKU and G2 country? Where do we have this relation? Yes, G2. Where do we have? We should take the mapping. Where should we take? You can see here this formula. You will need to add list formatted line item named country made in SKU details module. So we need to SKU details module means in system 08 module we need to add one more line item here. So the hint they are providing, we need to add one country made line item in system details module. Where is our system details module? SKU details module. Which one is our SKU details module?
System 08.
8. System 08.
System 08. Here we don't have any relation. Then we want to pull the data. So then what should we do? We need to create the line items here. So what is the line item we should create here means? So simply so what is the line item we should create? Country made in line item we should take. Country made in I should take here. Then yes, this is the which list format we want? G2 country. List and G2 country. So what is the relation do we have here? Country. Yes, we need to select manually or we need to import, or either otherwise we need to check any relation do we have here or not. So from where what is the source and how we can pull the data, that also we should think. We have the so many options here. So what they are guiding here you can check. So review the source module inventory 01 and target module mapping, and here So what should we do? We should use the sum, and G2 country list formatted item, we need module that connects P3 SKU to G2 country. Where do we have? So in system 08 only we need to create the G2 country list formatted line item. So that is the fine we have created, but we need to populate the data as well. So what is the relation we have? We need to check. So if you want check the details, what is the details we have? Relation country made in, so parent of supplied. So what is the relation we have here? So this is the, what is the country made means here, what is the relation we have? So this you can see New York location you have, New York location we have, and this is the country, this is the location, this is the country. What is the relationship between the country and location?
Parent.
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 So that is the reason, simply you can write parent of supplied by, means these are the location supplied means distribution centers, distribution center nothing but locations only. So different locations that will distribute the products, that's it. By writing this one I will get the data. So now I will pull the data from inventory 01 to inventory 02. How it is possible? Safety stock exception count. Basically what should we do? Give me a minute. So if I want to pull data from inventory ordering safety flag count, I what should I do? Basically safety flag count. Where do I have safety flag count? Safety, you can see here safety flag count. Do I have? Yes, this is only safety.
There is a reorder flag under production order.
No, not reorder flag. Safety stock exception count. This one. So they want to calculate this one. Reorder flag. This is a boolean formatted. Now they don't. They can't calculate this one. Safety stock exception. So how many times stock is went for the, it is going to out of stock, exception count means. So that is the thing they want. So calculate like this. So from source I am pulling the data, then I don't have proper dimension, then I should use the sum function here, and then what is the mapping? What is the mapping we have? Country made here.
Country.
That's it. So simply we'll get the data. So what is the, how, why we created this one and each and everything? Yes, why we have created this in some function? What is our conditions we have? Can you, already I have shared that video as well. What are the some function conditions? Yes, this is my
The
source,
line item.
this is
Yeah.
my source, this is my target, and you can see this is my mapping. So what are the conditions we have for the sum? Can explain? Can you explain anyone?
The dimension in mapping module should be one line item in the target module.
you can see dimension in the mapping module. That is, I think, fourth condition you are saying. Directly you went for the fourth. What is third condition?
Source and mapping dimension, model dimension
You,
should be same.
you can see P3 SKU and P3 SKU. Source and mapping dimensions are the same. Is
Same.
it correct? So in means
Yes.
we have created this country made line item in the system. Wherever I have P3 SKU dimension, I have created so that mapping and source dimensions are same. What is our some fourth condition?
The target dimension should be present as a line item in mapping module.
Yes. So target dimensions mean G2 country. G2 country should be present as a line item in the
Line.
mapping. Line item in the mapping means you can see line item in the G2 country should be present as a line item in the mapping. So you can see mapping country made. Do we have or not country? We have the country made in means that only country list formatted line item we should select here. We have created list formatted line item here, and this one we have given in the
Mapping.
mapping. You can see after some system 0 details country made line item, that's it. So we should understand the conditions. That is the reason each and every time I force everyone to understand that sum and lookup conditions whatever we have written. Third and fourth one are the most important one. First and second are the to understand basic things we can get idea, and that also will you will get.
Asif,
Yes.
can you explain fourth condition once more?
Fourth condition means where target here
Target.
target dimension should be target dimension should be here. What first of all we need to understand not target. We are pulling the data from source to target here. Then source to target we should pulling the data. Then what is our from where to third condition you should understand first. What is our third condition? Source and mapping are the same dimension. Is it correct? Source and mapping. What is the missing here? Source and mapping, if you are have same dimension in some, which one is the missing? Target. Is it correct?
Yes.
Target that's it. Target dimension should be present in the mapping. G2 country target dimension, our fourth condition is the target dimension should be present as the mapping in the mapping. That's it. So whatever the missing option is there, that one we should create here. Target dimension we have in the mapping, country made we have in the mapping. That's it. Present in the mapping target dimension.
So that one we have to create a line item, and in that we have to take a dimension of the missing uh, dimension, right?
Yes.
So that will be a mapping, the fourth condition.
It will provide for the us for the mapping.
Mapping problem. Lookup, we have to make a line item in the target.
Yes, target will create the line item in the
Line item
target, and will
using the
target and mapping dimensions are the same there. Target and
yes,
mapping. Then source dimension should be present as a mapping in the mapping. Wherever you are writing formula, source
mm,
dimension should be present as a mapping. Here target dimension should be present as a mapping here. There source
yes,
dimension should be present. Totally opposite. Sum and lookup.
opposite, yes. So it means like creating a line item. If you are doing a sum, then it should be in the in the sum we have to create a line item, and in the target, when we are doing lookup, we have to create a line item in the target.
Yes. So anyway, like these are the things. Try to implement few things, and try to whenever we are free, we should test with these formulas, sum and lookup and everything. Then we'll get the confident. So even we have explained with each and every different examples for sum and lookup and everything. So try to do your own with few examples. You will get clear idea what happening, how it is happening. Is it clear for everyone? Yes.
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 Yes, sir.
Okay. So Anyway, we can go for next activity. So this is what these activities get completed. And one more activity, create a distribution center module here. So regional vice president, you can see one more module we need to create, distribution center capacity. So what is distribution center capacity means how much that distribution center capacity that can hold the inventories, is it correct?
Yes.
Yes. So you can see add number formatted new line item in capacity. In supply chain model system 07 we need to add capacity new line item we need to create in system 07. So in system 07 if you create one more line item, capacity line item we should create, and format should be number. This data is uploaded in one time import. Delete the action from the model after completing the import. Download this file, import this file into this data 0 system 07 module. So what is the capacity we have for this each and every inventory we'll get, you can see. So what is the different region and different distribution centers, you can see New York, San Francisco, these are the distribution centers we have. So for this distribution center how much that distribution center can hold the inventories, so that capacity will get here. Send message as a rejoin here.
Okay.
So we can see here we can import the data here. Import that file whatever we have downloaded just now. Distribution center capacity. So we don't need to keep this action, so that is the reason you can keep private as well, nothing will happen. So yes, G3 location center, so for which one should I select here? Column 1. And for this one which
Column
one I
one.
should select here? capacity.
Second one.
So column 2 you can see
Out.
system 07
But
line items. You can select the column headers. Not if I select column 2, what happened you can see it will ask like this. So capacity. So but instead of doing this one we should keep here column headers here, and by selecting column headers then what should I do? I should go here and I should map my capacity line item to here capacity. Then one more option we should do, ignore unmapped. This one also if we like if already it is get deselected here, but if you see this one ignore unmapped, we should do that one. Whatever the things we unmapped things we have, we should ignore unmapped here. So then what happens, simply click on run import, you will get the data into this module. Yes, we got data into this module. What is the capacity for each and every distribution center we can see. So this is a distribution center we got here. So after completing this one, this data upload in one time, so action we don't require here. So create distribution center capacity module. We need to create one more module here, inventory 04 distribution center capacity. So we need to create inventory 04 module. What are the dimensions we should select here? G3 location distribution center and time should be in months. G3 location distribution center, time should be in months, and what are the line items we should create? Total beginning inventory, and distribution center capacity. What is the capacity do we have here? Then percentage full. So these are the three line items we should create here. So what is the format for each and every line item we should check here? Number, this is a percentage. Display the total beginning inventory by the distribution center by each month. So distribution center months only data beginning inventory we should get from the other module, source module. Display the distribution center inventory capacity. So this also we should get from the other module. So display the distribution center current percentage full. So whatever the total capacity we have, how much product do we have? So if you ratio, if you do the ratio, you will get the percentage amount of inventory compared to the available capacity. So if you have capacity 100 products, you have the product 80, then how much percentage it is filled? If you want percentage in percentage, for 100% is a capacity but you have only 80 products, then so what is the percentage we have? Yes,
80.
80. So anyway, you can see here. Uh, so we need to add formulas here for these line items. What is the source and what is the target, we need to understand. So here you can see we have completed, what are the things we have completed here. Distribution center module, we have completed this inventory 03 earlier activity, we are doing inventory 04 here. So what are the different sources we have here? Where is our inventory 03 modular? I am not getting. Yes, inventory 02.
We
Where is
have
our inventory 03? Already we came here this activity. Creating where this one. Where is our this activity? Stock exceptions. Inventory ordering summary.
Now we are creating as if I think
No, no, no. We are
this
not.
one. Acha, we are not
it's
there.
missing out. It is not there in the system
Uh,
yeah, as of now.
No, this one you can see here. Activity create distribution center. So this is the inventory 04. You can see here. Actually, I think we have actually create country summary module. Okay, you can see country summary module. We have completed this one. So after completing this one, we should create the UX page. We should create the UX page. Create country summary after completing this one, we should create the UX page. This one. You can see this one. So this one we should create. We have jumped this activity. So after create country summary module, we should create the UX page. So we didn't create this one. So we, yes, we'll do this one. And before that, even you can see create distribution summary module. We need to create inventory 03, we need to create. And directly we got here inventory 04 module. So till this activity we have created, we need to add formula. Before that, I will create inventory 03 module, so that will be easy for us. So we'll create this one and we'll write formula for this module as well. You can see inventory 03 order module I want to create here. First of all, before inventory 04, so inventory 03 module I want to create. And what are the dimensions we should take here for inventory 03? P2 product, G3 location, distribution center I should take here. P2 products and G3 location. P2 products and G3 location I should take. Is it correct for inventory 03? Yes, we should take this one. Are you there everyone or not?
yes.
Yes, yes.
P2 product list and
Yeah.
G3 location list. This subset we should take, and line item only stock exceptions we should take here. So stock exception we should take here. Then you can see where do we have the stock exceptions here. So where do we have the stock exceptions? Build formula for line item to show total number of stock exceptions by distribution center and product on monthly time scale. Then select. So here we need time scale should be in months. So that thing we need to understand here. Time scale should be in months. Here also you should select the month. So what is the difference between earlier one and this one? So we want nothing is there. Earlier one we have done here inventory, country summary also we have done safety stock exception only. Safety stock flag count means exception count only we found. You can see here how many times exception count we have. So this we have like month weekly level, here we are doing at monthly level. So that is the difference, nothing is a different here. Stock exception, so where do I have stock exception details again? Yes,
Inventory one.
same thing, we should inventory ordering module 1 we should select. In go to inventory ordering module, safety stock exception count. Then which function we should use? Sum we should use. Whatever we have done earlier, same thing we should use. Go to system 08 and country made. Then what happened? Simply we'll get the same details here. Data type is mismatching aggregation, much any dimension in the result. So what is the other dimensions we should take here? So what are the different things we are doing, we should check here. So what is the source and what is the target here? What is the source and what is the target here? Yes, this is my source and what is my target here? So what are the different dimensions are making the problem for me? Here I should take this one. Earlier we have taken for this one P1 G2 country we have taken mapping country made. This time which one I should take mapping? What is? Yes, G3 location distribution center. Is it correct? So distribution center I should take in the mapping. So everything we should do the same. In mapping country made we should not take. Distribution center we should take. So that is the only change. In target we are using the different dimension. So that is the reason takes mapping is the different one. Safety stock exception count sum function. Then in mapping which line item we should select? In system 08 distribution center. Which one is the distribution center here? Can you tell anyone?
Supplied by.
Supplied by.
Supplied by is our distribution center. That's it. Just spelling is the different. Yes, we'll get the same answer. So on the base of different dimensions wise we are taking. Here we are taking locations wise we are taking, distribution center wise, inventory distribution center wise. Here you can see in module itself, module name itself you can see here. So if I remove this one, whatever we have created here you can see inventory distribution center wise we are taking safety stock exception count. In inventory 02 you can see country summary wise. Is it clear? Country wise we are taking safety stock exception count here. Here we are taking the distribution center wise. Is it clear? What is the difference between the inventory 02 and inventory 03? Yes, same thing we are doing, but what is the difference?
Yes, country wise and location center distribution center wise.
Yes, that's it. So source is same and the thing is we are taking here country wise, here we are taking the distribution center wise safety stock exception count. So that is the major difference. So if I go to then this inventory 04 module, I need to build the formulas, total beginning inventory. So from where should I bring the formula details? What is my source for inventory 04? What is my source for inventory 04? Yes, from where can I get the details? Inventory ordering only my source. Inventory ordering only my source. Total beginning inventory. So you can see. So distribution center capacity system 01 is my source. And percentage full is we should ratio of the total beginning inventory by this one, nothing is there, simple one. So I want details. You can see my source is inventory 01 module for total beginning inventory. This is my source and this is my target. I need to remove this one. So I want details from here to here. You can see P3 SKU. I have the this one is the difference. Where do I have relation between the P3 SKU and G3 location distribution center? Where do I have relation? Did you remember?
System 07.
System 07, why do you have relation between P3 SKU and distribution center? Just now you have taken that line item.
System 08, supplied by.
System
Supplied
08.
by
Okay.
only we have relation. Here P3 SKU we have taken as a dimension and supplied distribution center you have line item. That's it. So we have relation. So then what should we understand here? What is the understand means you have the source and mapping. Source and mapping of the same dimension. For example, so mapping is a system 08. Source and mapping, if you have the same dimension, which function should we take? Source and mapping, if you have same dimension, source and
Some
mapping,
some
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 function. Our
function.
sum third condition is the our sum third condition. Source and mapping is the same
Should be
dimension.
same.
And what is our fourth condition? Target dimension
Tar-
should be present as a
line item in
line
the
item in the mapping. So then we'll do that one. Now we'll do that one. How it happens? So first of all, I want take source line item. Inventory ordering line item I should take. So beginning inventory line item, this is my source. Then I should use the sum function. Then where I have mapping, relationship
system
between the
08.
P3 SKU system 08. You can see supplied by nothing but distribution center. This distribution center is the target module dimension. We know very well. So target dimension should be present as a line item in the mapping. Do we have or not? Yes.
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 Yes. So we have satisfied fourth condition as well. So these are the two things. So this one is completed. Distribution center capacity, where do I have? What is my source? System 07. Distribution center capacity, where do we have? You can see here distribution center details. We have details here. So this is my source and this is my target. I have same dimensions. You can see week and week. Here we don't have, not applicable, even that is not required for us. So capacity will not get changed throughout the time. That is the reason we don't require. Even though if you have time is a different, we don't have in source module time. That is not important for us. So simply if I pull here, can I pull the data or not?
Yes.
So without writing any intermediate dimensions, I can pull the data from the system 07. Distribution center capacity should be directly, I should go the system 07 module, open system 07 module and select capacity line item. So I will get the capacity of each and every distribution center I will get. Then what is the percentage full? How much percentage full means? We should do the ratio. Simply we should do the ratio beginning inventory, total beginning inventory divided by
Distribution
this.
center capacity.
So what happened? We'll get the percentage. But unfortunately, we didn't done any percentage. Didn't change percentage here format. So that is the reason we are not getting properly. We will get proper percentage. We'll get if you change the format. So here, just percentage you can see here. So if I want to keep here, we should keep formula here. So in this way we'll get the percentage.
So,
uh,
Asibhai, we taken a formula here, like because of only just we are calculating using the dividing these two line items. That's why we are
yes,
keeping as formula.
yes, correct.
Okay.
So we can turn on this summary methods as well. So that will get summary for the summary level details also will get. So in this way we'll get the total details. So we have completed this one. Build the formula for the line item, show total number of safety stock exception by the distribution center. This inventory, this 03 is completed, and we have completed this one. Everything is completed. Distribution center capacity also we have completed. So the thing is we need to complete two UX pages we need to complete. You can see this one country distribution center UX page we need to complete, and one more we missed this UX page as well. So tomorrow we'll complete these two UX pages, so that this sprint you will get complete. Only you can see create some roles and test as a end user. So that is a simple activity. So two UX pages, and if you complete this one it will get complete. So we can close this sprint. So as we have
Te-
only,
Asibhai,
yes,
this test scripts means like a user manual guide, right?
yes, your test script, where we have test script, where do
Down,
you
down, like
writing a test
three
scripts?
point
Yes,
six point four.
yes, yes, test script
It's
means
you,
we should user manual guide means like we test scripts and we do test scripts. So what are the
yes, yes,
test will do and everything. For user manual guide we'll provide separate document.
separate document. This is for our purpose.
Yes, how we should do the test and everything. After completing the module we'll do that one. So in this way, like we'll close this sprint tomorrow as possible as try to complete all these activities. We have covered lot of things here, and update me today itself. So otherwise you will get confused here. So only two UX pages and one end user activity we have, roles creating activity. So tomorrow we'll close all these activities, and we can in the sprint 3 conclusion we have only two activities. Other than that one we have completed that LM scenarios and line item subsets. So only two activities we have.